Hi, it's Mr. C. Today we're going to take the skills that you've learned from drawing the upside down Picasso and we're going to draw a sneaker. Let's do it. At my computer, I just have a drawing board with some tape lifted above so that you could see the sneaker that we're drawing that I posted on Google Classroom along with the paper. Alright, so we're going to use the same techniques that we used for the upside down Picasso by covering small parts of the sneaker and simply drawing it. I'm going to try to use the whole entire piece of paper. Let me just fold this in half so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Okay, I might just have this much showing right now. I'm just going to lightly sketch, and I'm looking not only at the positive lines but like these negative shapes too. I'm going to try to use the entire piece of paper. Taking my time. Keeping my line work nice and light. You can see that I'm trying to use the whole entire piece of paper. See, there's a little line here. I notice that this overlaps here, so I want to create this kind of bent triangular shape in my drawing. And I can refine that a little more later. Okay, work my way down. Here I'm looking at this positive shape here, or this could be considered a negative shape. Either way, it's a shape. It's a very simple shape. I'm going to try to make it about the same height and length. I notice now I can begin to see this curve here. Notice I didn't even use the word sneaker, really. I'm going to try not to do that. I have two circles here, one within another. I see another line coming down this way. Curves in. Circle right in here. Continues behind there. This. Noticing the angle of this here. Okay, and I would just continue on working on the sketch and finishing it. Drawing over any mistakes that you might have made. Alright, if you make some mistakes, if you keep it nice and light, it's easy to fix. The longest time spent will probably be on these circles. They're eyelets, but I'm going to try not to use that word on the sneaker. Okay. you can see, I'm keeping it very light and loose right now. Then I come back and refine my lines, correct them if there's any little mistakes. Always wait till the end to erase. Try to. You know, I might make some little corrections here or there. Okay, but I see some double and triple lines in some areas. So I would just continue working this up till I was happy with it. And this is a little bit bigger, so I might adjust that a little bit. Add the lettering if you wish. Okay, again, draw it nice and big. And there you have it, an upside down sneaker sketch. So I hope my example helped you with drawing your shoe. I was drawing for about 7 minutes there. I don't like to make my examples too long because I don't want you falling asleep, and I'm just trying to give you kind of my approach and the idea of how to draw using Pure Seeing. Keep in mind the 50-50 rule that I mentioned in class. All that simply means is spend 50% of your time looking at what you're drawing and 50% of the time drawing. Okay, so you need to make sure that you spend enough time really observing, really being aware, really looking at what you're trying to draw so that you can draw it the way it should look on your paper. So take your time, be patient with it. I would say that's going to take you close to 45 minutes to an hour to complete. So do take your time. Cover the image a little bit at a time if that helps you, and good luck with it. I look forward to seeing your drawings.